Alright, so we're going to take a quick look at the Quadratec Flashlight Holder for the Jeep JLU. And basically what this does is it goes on your driver's side seat and just holds, you know, any standard flashlight, I guess. So I'm going to see if it works with the flashlight that I have. But basically for the unboxing, what is in there is the instruction guide. And it says it's for the Jeep Wrangler JL/JT 4-door. So I think it's specific to the seats that are in the JL and the JT. And just pretty basic, simple instructions on that. You know, use a 3mm Allen key to install. But other than the manual, inside the package is the 2 mounting brackets and then 2 screws with 2 washers. Alright, so I want to show you guys this install real quick. Basically, and I don't have the best lighting, but you fix these to this bar right down here. And I'm just going to pop both of them on, put them in like that, like down, in, and then push up. Don't pinch your fingers. There we go. And they move around pretty freely at this point, so you can set it for the flashlight that you have. And the flashlight that I was looking to use was actually this small mag light, but it turns out this is too small for this mount. So I have another flashlight coming. We'll see if that one works. So from there, put them where I think I'll want them. And then you put the 2 washers on both ends of the bolts, and you go behind and you try to find the hole just by feeling around for it. And it goes in pretty easily, so just finger tight, do both. And then take your 3mm Allen key and just cinch them down once you have them where you want them. All right, and that's it for the install. It looks like there's, you know, it's kind of overlapping the trim right there for the door. So I'm gonna see if there is room, how much room there is between this and the door. You can see there's about well, barely can see, there's about 1 inch of space between the mounting bracket and the door frame itself, so there's plenty of room. You will not be able to access that while you're sitting in your car. You're going to have your door open if you want to, you know, pull the flashlight out, because it is very tight. Trying to reach your hand down through your seat in the door to grab it, you won't be able to get it out, so you need to have your door open. So yeah, I'll show you guys once I have the flashlight for this. Finally got the mag flashlight, standard mag flashlight, and after that install I did yesterday, I went to clip this in, which would have been perfect, and it was these are so tight that this snapped and broke off. It was, where's the other piece? This piece right here, which affixes to the chair, snapped right off. And I mean, it doesn't look like it's, you know, super strong plastic either. I mean, this is a standard mag flashlight, and this, it fits, but it really got to push it in there. And when I was pushing it in there, this couldn't take the strength of it, so it just snapped and the whole thing fell off. So I'm gonna look for a refund on this. It just doesn't seem like the best quality from Quadratec, unfortunately. And I get why it has to be so strong on there, because you don't want this, when your doors are off, you know, falling out. But there's got to be some solution to make these a little bit stronger and better. The quality just isn't there. So yeah, unfortunately, that's a bust on the chair flashlight mount.